welcome to Just from Samayal. Today we are going to see how to make a delicious orange cake. So let us see.
Now I'm going to use a scraper to scrap the zest of the orange peel. Make sure you're turning it around so that it won't be pale at only one side. Okay, I'm doing it. The zest of the orange gives a really good flavor. As you see, this is called the zest of the orange. Okay, now take a look at my orange. It's peeled all the sides. Now cut it into half. And I guess I should show some magic. Okay. Now I'm going to take the skin of the orange. And even if that fiber is there, don't worry. The fiber is the white thing. Because it is good for our digestive system. But it really doesn't matter because I learned it in my science class just 5 weeks ago. What a good smile I have. So this is the orange peel. Now I'm going to chop it into pieces. And friends, take the help of your mother or father to cut it so you won't harm your fingers, as the knife is really very sharp. Okay, see I have chopped them into pieces. I'm going to put it into the blender. Oh guys, I noticed a small seed. Let me show it to you at last. Oh no, that orange took away its friend with it. Friends, I took the seed out. Now, if you put it in the blender, it gives sour taste. And for one orange, now add half cup of cooking oil. Any cooking oil. Okay. One full orange is used to make 12 cupcakes. And now add half cup of sugar. Okay. And now I'm going to use 2 eggs. Okay, friends, just do a small help. Could you please comment if I'm breaking the eggs neat so that I can develop? If it's not neat, just be honest. If it's not neat, it's fine. I can improve. After all, I'm just a small kid, a small chef. And everyone do make mistakes. So just help me by doing that thing. Now I'm closing the blender. And I'm going to blend it. Guys, my hands are vibrating. And open it carefully so that it won't spill on you. And now pour it to a bowl. Okay. Now we are going to sieve 1 cup of flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, then half teaspoon of baking soda, and we are going to sieve it little by little. Okay, now I add little bit, and this is the baking soda and this is the baking powder. Now I'm going to fold it using the folding method so that it would be spongy and it would be thick. If you add flour to the blender, then it would be hard and it won't be spongy. Now I'm going to add a little bit more. Then again I'm going to use the folding method. Okay, then I'm going to add the remaining flour with the baking soda and powder. Now, and also add the zest of the orange which we scraped at the starting, and folding method, of course. Now see guys, it's thick. Now see there, that orange is the zest, and make sure that it's not there while you are doing the batter. It should not be visible. Okay, see, it's thick and it also smells amazing, you know. Okay, now I'm going to put it in the tray or whatever you call it, because I don't know what it really is. And we are going to add 3/4 of the cupcake paper. Okay, I'm adding it nice and simple, 3/4, and then now tap it. Now I'm going to keep it in the microwave for 4 minutes. Okay, and I have preheated it for 2 minutes already. And let me take it and see how spongy it looks. Okay, let me transfer it to a bowl. Oh, it's too hot. Let me do like this to all of them and show you. Okay, now I'm going to add again 6 more. As starting I told you, right? Total 12. Okay, let me tap it again for 4 minutes. I'm going to keep it in the microwave. Our orange cake is ready. So I'm going to taste it. This seems to be a bit cool. That's seriously fabulous. That's fabulous, guys. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe for more of this delicious cake.